Slow internet can ruin your day, but most issues have straightforward fixes. Common culprits include network congestion from too many devices competing for bandwidth, hitting your data cap and triggering speed restrictions, high latency from long data travel distances, outdated routers or modems that can't keep up with modern speeds, or simply having a plan that's too slow for your needs. Running too many applications simultaneously, ISP throttling, or malware and virus draining network resources can also help drag down performance. Start by testing your speed to see what you're actually getting versus what you're paying for. Quick fixes include resetting your modem and router, switching from the 2.4 GHz to the 5 GHz frequency band, or closing unnecessary apps. For persistent problems, upgrade old equipment, look for Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 routers, position your router centrally and high off the ground. Angle antennas correctly for multi-story homes, and use Ethernet cables for critical devices. If your plan is too slow, upgrade to a faster tier or switch to fiber if available. Check for malware with antivirus software and avoid ISP throttling by monitoring data usage or using a VPN. If all else fails and you're consistently getting slower speeds than promised, it may be time to switch providers.